Getting rid of varicose veins can take time, but there are several ways to help reduce the appearance and discomfort. So here are some methods. Number one, you got to exercise regularly. You got to start there. Staying active can improve blood flow. Activities like walking, swimming, and cycling are great choices. Get a stationary bike if you have to. You have no excuse after. Number two, elevate your legs, okay? When you can, raise your legs above heart level. This can help reduce swelling and improve circulation. Number three, wear compression stockings. These special stockings can help support your veins and reduce swelling. These apply pressure to your legs, helping blood flow better. Number four, maintain a healthy weight. Keeping your weight in check can lessen the pressure on your veins. Eating a balanced diet and staying active can help. Now, number five, avoid long periods of standing or sitting. Try to move around every hour. If you have a job that keeps you seated or standing for a long time, you know what I mean? Number six, consult a doctor. If your varicose veins are painful or bothersome, talk to a healthcare professional. They might suggest treatments, like laser therapy or another one I'll leave in the description. And by following these tips, you can manage varicose veins and keep your legs feeling better. All right, hope this helps.